Happy morning to all of you. Welcome in Sri Ganesh online lecture series. My name is Kadangale Pankaj. I am teaching you EVS second. Our chapter's name is Work of the Saints. Okay? In this chapter, we have learned about many saints. For example, Sri Chakradhar Swami, Sant Tukaram, Sant Namdev, Sant Eknath. Okay? Now we are going to learn about Samartha Ramdas. Very good. So see, before that, I'd like to tell you, yesterday what we have learned? Yesterday we have learned about Sant Tukaram. Okay, in that we have seen that at the time of Shivaji Maharaj, two great saints were there. And which those two great saints were there? Sant Tukaram. Very good. Sant Tukaram. And second one was Sant Ramdas. Sant Ramdas. Okay. So see what we have seen. Sant Tukaram belongs to Dehu village. Where? Dehu. He belongs to Dehu. Where it is? Near Pune. Dehu is near Pune. Now, this much we have seen. Okay? And this Sant Tukaram, he was also a great devotee of God Vitthal. Okay? See, what he used to sing? Devotional songs like abhangas, and he used to perform kirtans. We have seen that Shivaji Maharaj also likes to listen his thoughts, so he was also attending his kirtans. Okay, you can see on the screen his picture. In the picture, Sant Tukaram Maharaj is there, and Shivaji Maharaj and many people, thousands of people used to listen it. So many people are there to listen it. Okay. So now we are going to start about Samartha Ramdas. Okay, we can say Sant Ramdas also or Samartha Ramdas also. Okay, but before that, have you seen Samartha Ramdas picture? Anyone have seen it? No. So you can see in the screen, at the top of the screen. Whose picture? Samartha Ramdas. Okay, so see, he is a very decent person. So see, first of all, we will do it loud reading. Okay? So for loud reading purpose, what we have to do? What's our rule? We have to put our index finger on the line. Okay? So put your index finger on the line and see. Along with me, you are going to read it. Okay? See, Samartha Ramdas. At the same time, the hills and valleys of Maharashtra were filled with the echoes of Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha. Glory be to the great Rama, and innocent constantly on the lips of the great Sant Ramdas. Ramdas was born at Jam on the bank of the Godavari in Marathwada. His birthday falls on Ram Navami, the day on which the great hero Rama was born. Narayan was his real name, but he preferred to call himself Ramdas, the servant of Rama. Through his great book, Dasbodh, he taught me the ways of good life. Through his Manache Shlok, stanzas addressed to the mind, he gave people lesson in good thoughts and good conduct. To popularize the worship of strength, he raised the temples of Hanuman. Temples of Hanuman. The God of strength, he exhorted people to be strong and told them of the power that resides in a united people. He taught them to organize themselves and fight against injustice. This gave courage to the people. Okay, so see, this much we will see first. See, Sant Ramdas. You have seen his picture also now in the corner. Okay, so see, when Sant Tukaram was there, at the same time Sant Ramdas was there. See, at the same time, the hills and valleys. You know, hills and valleys of Maharashtra were filled with the echo means sound. Now, after my voice also, little bit echo comes. Yes, because classroom is empty. So, echo comes. So, like this. Echo fills with Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha. With what? Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha. Glory be to the great Rama. Glory means what? Who can tell glory means? Proud, or we can say it's goodwill. Okay, so glory to be the great Rama, and you know, and invocation constantly on the lips of the great Sant Ramdas. Invocation means continuously he used to say Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha, Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha, Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha, in this manner. Okay, so it is called invocation. Okay, so continuously his lips, on his lips, same words were there. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha, Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha. Understood? So see, Ramdas was born at Jam in Marathwada. What is his native place? Jam in Marathwada, towards Aurangabad side. Okay, Marathwada, that area is called Marathwada. So he was born at Jam on the bank of Godavari. Where? On the bank of Godavari. Do you know bank now? Where he used to keep money, that is called bank. Yes, that is also bank. But here, if river's name is there, then that bank meaning is different. So this one is. This one is our river. Which river? Godavari river. Okay? So this one is Godavari river. So this side area is called bank of the Godavari river. Okay? Bank of the Godavari river. So where this Ramdas born? At Jam, on the bank of river of Godavari in Marathwada. Okay? Keep in mind Jam. His village name was Jam. Jam on the bank of Godavari river in Marathwada. His birthday falls on Ram Navami. When his birthday falls on Ram Navami. Okay? Falls means his birthday we used to celebrate. He was born on Ram Navami. So, see. The day on which great hero Rama was born. When God Rama was born, on the same day, okay, means both of their birthdays are on the same day. Who's? God Rama and Samartha Ramdas. Their birthdays are on the same day, when? On Ram Navami. See, Narayan was his real name. Samartha Ramdas' real name was Narayan. In exam also it may ask, what is the real name of Samartha Ramdas? So Samartha Ramdas' real name was Narayan. Okay? So his name was Narayan. Narayan was his real name, but he preferred to call himself Ramdas. He himself preferred to call him as a Ramdas, servant of Rama. Das means servant. Okay? Ramdas. See here. Ramdas. Das means servant. Servant of Rama. He is called Ramdas. So he used to call himself as a Ramdas. Though his great book, Dasbodh, he taught men the ways of good life. And he wrote a book named as Dasbodh. Okay, Sri Chakrada Swami wrote a book, Leela Charitra. Samarth Ramdas wrote a book, Das Boध. Okay, so see, through his book, he taught me the ways of good life. From Das Boध, he taught good ways of good life. Through his Manache Shlok, again what he wrote? Manache Shlok. Through his Manache Shlok, in bracket it is given in English, stanzas addressed to the mind. Stanzas addressed to mind means Manache Shlok. Most of the students you are knowing. Yes, Manache Shlok. So, he gave people lessons in good thoughts and good conduct. He gave lessons to people about good thoughts and good conduct. Conduct means behavior. Okay, who gave? Samarth Ramdas. To popularize the worship of strength. To popularize worship of strength. This is called strength or power. It's called strength. And he wants to make the popularize people about their strength. So what great work he did? What great work he did? See, he raised the temples of Hanuman. He raised the temples of Hanuman, and Hanuman is a god of strength. So he raised the temples of Hanuman in each and every village. Now also, if you go any village, you can see temple of Hanuman. Yes. So this is because of Samarth Ramdas. The god of strength, he exhorted people to be strong and told them of the power of resides in a united people. What he told them? He told them power in them. What is the power in them? Okay? He taught them to organize themselves and fight against injustice. He taught them themselves that they have to make one organization, and with the help of that organization they have to fight against injustice. They have to fight against injustice. This gave courage to the people, and this gave courage to people. Correct means confidence. Okay, it gave courage to the people. Now see next paragraph, next and last paragraph. Okay, so see, the work of saints brought about a great awakening among the people. Religion once again became a thing to be respected, and a spirit of self-reliance was born. Self-reliance was born. People regained their lost confidence. This great awakening among the people brought about by the saints helped Shivaji in the fight of Swaraj. See, the work of saints brought about a great awakening among the people. With all saints' work, this makes all people powerful. Okay? Because of this, all people's self-confidence is built. Each and everyone comes to know that I can do it. Because of what? Because of the work of these great saints. Religion once again became a thing to be respected, and spirit to self-reliance. And for religion also, each and everyone has become self-respect and self-reliant. Means each one is protecting their religion. Okay? People regain their lost confidence. All people regain means whatever confidence they lost, it was lost, they got it again. That's called regain. They got their lost confidence. This great awakening among the people brought about by the saints helped Shivaji in his fight for Swaraj. And all these things helped Shivaji Maharaj for his great establishment of Swaraj. Because of this work, all people got their whatever confidence they lost, they got it again, and people got confidence, and Shivaji Maharaj took its benefit. He took all those people's confidence to establish Swaraj. Okay, so like this we have completed Samarth Ramdas. Understood? So see, like this we have completed our whole chapter also. In 8 lectures we have completed our this chapter number 2, work of saints. Once again I would like to tell you which saints we have studied in this. Sri Chakradhar Swami, he was from Gujarat, and Leela Charitra book is written by him. Sant Namdev, he belongs to Narsi village. He was great devotee of Vitthal. Then Sant Jnaneshwar belongs to Apega. Okay, and then Sant Eknath belongs to Paithal, and Sant Tukaram belongs to Dehu near Pune, and Samarth Ramdas belongs to Jam village. He from Marathwada. Okay, you understand now? Okay, so what you are going to do today is your homework. Today, from the Samarth Ramdas point, you are going to find out 20 hard words. Okay, any 20 hard words on your own you will find.